This is not a regular piñata. It spins, and it shares the fun. You pull the ribbon, and that's it. No breaking at all. It starts spinning, and candies fly everywhere. Fun for everyone. No pushing, no chaos. Let's start the assembly. Insert the 8mm rods. They fit right into the holes on each corner. This keeps everything aligned and solid. Place the lid on top. Done. This is the assembled structure. Base, rods, and lid. Everything fits perfectly. Before adding the ribbon, the lid includes a moving piece and 2 holes to hang it. Thread the ribbon through here. In this case, a blue fabric ribbon. Simple and functional. Now we use a satin ribbon as wide as possible. Attach the end to one of the rods. I secure it with a small piece of tape. Then wrap it around the body. Fix the final end so it doesn't come loose. Leave a small space at the top. That's where we'll add the candy. This is how the spinning piñata works. You pull the ribbon, it starts spinning, and candies fly everywhere. Simple, fun, and reusable. The design is available on Cults 3D and Creality Cloud. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more creative 3D printed ideas, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next project.